Alright girls, let's talk about little shifts. So remember, we're gamblers. We're playing the odds to increase our chances to catch the ball where it might be hit. But unlike gamblers, we're not just basing this off random luck. We are actually making educated guesses based upon what we're looking at to determine if we should make little shifts. So when we make a little shift, what I'm talking about is a step to one or two in a certain direction. So the left fielder may move over a little bit. If it's a different hitter, they may move over here, right? They may come in or they may go out. It's a couple steps, 2 or 3, from where they originally are, based upon what we're looking at. Obviously, the coaches are going to help you. But here's some things to consider. First is the lineup order. Where are they at in the lineup? You should know that every time that you go into the field, because that may give you an indication of what they've done. How about past at-bats? That's a big indicator. I'm always looking at that when we're throwing pitches. All you guys need to do is remember where they're at in the order and what they did last time. Okay? That's a good indication of what they did last time, and you may hear us call something. How about their size? Certainly you get a girl that looks big and strong, we're probably going to move back, right? We get a number 3 or 4 batter that is a pretty big player, we're going to move the outfield back, right? We get a 1 or 2 or 7, 8, 9 batter that's not as big, then we're probably going to come up, okay? Those are shifts that you can make that you should be looking for, right? Another thing is, if they've hit a foul ball, where did that foul ball go? Was it up the left field line? Was it over here? We may want to shift over in that direction. Or did they hit it this way a couple times? That's going to give us an indication of where to go. So both the infield and outfield may be shifting that way. How about when they're batting themselves, sometimes all we know is how they swing. So their hips. If their hips don't turn open and they're a right-handed hitter, they're not going to pull the ball. They're actually going to push it this way. If their hips are turning, they have a good chance of pulling it. Okay. Also the direction of their front foot. If their front foot is stepping out, it could indicate that they're going to pull it left, but a lot of times they're stepping out because they're afraid of the ball and they're just going to throw their hands to it and push it right. So there's a lot of little things to be looking at as we're looking at the batter when they get up. But the biggest thing is paying attention and trying to make a determination from what you see and what you know as to where they might hit it, and then taking a step or 2 in that direction. We'll continue to talk about this, but as you go into the field, please start looking for these things. All right, thanks.